Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about something that will make animal lovers and collectors alike smile: the WISHPETS 12 inches black and white Puffin Plush toy. This plush puffin isn't just your ordinary stuffed animal, it's the best stuffed puffin you'll find. If you're on the hunt for a cuddly, charming companion, this Puffin Plush will certainly stand out in your collection. At 12 inches tall, this puffin features lifelike colors and details that make it incredibly realistic. From its distinctive orange beak to the webbed feet, every feature has been carefully designed to capture the true essence of a puffin. The plush feels soft and comforting, making it a perfect companion for kids, adults, or anyone who loves the charm of wildlife. What makes this Puffin Plush toy even more special is its fun puppet feature. Designed not just for cuddling, but for interactive play, it opens up a world of possibilities for storytelling and imaginative adventures. Whether you're using it for educational activities or just having fun with your little ones, this puffin is a delightful addition to any playtime. In terms of durability, this plush is built to last. Constructed with high-quality materials, it can withstand hours of play, so it's perfect for kids who like to hug, squeeze, and even create puppet shows. It's not just for play either. This puffin can be a cute display piece in any room, adding a touch of nature and whimsy. If you're thinking of a perfect gift, this Puffin Plush is an excellent choice. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just a little surprise for someone who loves puffins, this toy will bring joy to any recipient. It's especially great for puffin enthusiasts, making it a thoughtful and unique gift. So, whether you're adding it to your collection, looking for a fun toy for a child, or just need a new cuddle buddy, the WISHPETS 12 inches black and white Puffin Plush toy is a must-have. Don't miss out on this adorable and versatile plush that is sure to bring a smile to anyone who lays eyes on it. That's it for today's review. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more awesome product reviews. See you in the next video.